Have you ever wondered why does semen retention make you feel like a god? Why does the world shift when you stop releasing your seed? Carl Jung, one of the deepest thinkers of 20th century, explained this long before the modern world started catching on. He didn't use the word nofap. He didn't talk like influencer do, but his truth was even more powerful. Jung said, libido is the life force, and when misdirected, it leads to chaos. What you know as semen retention, Carl Jung would have called withholding and transmuting your primal energy into higher purpose. He believed when a man represses or misuses his sexual energy, he becomes anxious, weak, and shadow filled. But when he masters it, he becomes a god in human scheme. So, libido is equal to life force. To Jung, libido wasn't just sexual, it is was spiritual energy. He said, libido is the psychic energy behind all your action. It's the fuel of the soul. That means every time you waste semen, you are not just losing fluid, you are leaking life energy, your confidence, your focus, your aura. It all comes from the libido. Semen retention is simply this. Instead of spending your libido chasing pleasure, you channel it upward to become a higher man. That's Jungian mastery in modern language. And it's the reason you glow. It's the reason women feel you. Because you have reclaimed what most men leak daily psycho spiritual fuel. The the shadow and sexual addiction. Now here's where it gets dark. Jung warned us about the shadow, the hidden part of your personality. He said, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it faith. Porn addiction, constant ejaculation, feeling weak around women. That's not just bad habit. That's your shadow controlling you. The part of you are afraid to face. Every time you masturbate to escape emotion, to avoid loneliness, to numb stress, you feed the shadow. You think it's pleasure, but Jung would say it's the devil wearing perfume. When you retain, you face that shadow. You start doing the real work. You begin you begin the individualization process, which Jung called the journey of becoming who you truly are. Semen retention forces you to grow a spine, to walk into your darkness and come out with fire in your eyes. Masculine alchemy is equal to transmutation. Carl Jung was an alchemist at heart. He studied spiritual texts, mysticism, ancient symbols, and he believed the true transformation of a man is like a alchemy, turning base instinct into divine purpose. Now ask yourself, what is semen retention? It's alchemy. You take the raw, chaotic primal instinct and instead of releasing it mindlessly, you transmute it into strength, discipline, wealth, creativity, leadership, magnetic attraction. Jung would say, this is the great work. You are not just celibate, you are becoming a spiritual weapon. The modern man who retains is walking the path of the ancient magician. You are turning lust into legacy. Your archetype change. Jung taught us about archetype, the inner mask of the soul. When you retain for long enough, you shift from the boy archetype into king, from the addict, the child, the joker into the warrior, the sage, the king. You begin into walk differently. You speak with pause. You move with intention. because you are not leaking anymore. You are becoming. Women felt it, men respect it, the world open to it because you now radiate inner order and the feminine is drawn to masculine order like a flame. So, my embodied, let me tell you what I have felt. Before retention, I was caught in the loop, porn, porn, lust, same, repeat. I was stuck in the boy, addicted to the pleasure, afraid of the power. But after practicing semen retention, fasting, breathwork, something happened. I no longer needed validation. I no longer chased anything. One day on a train, I was just standing, present, still silent, and this girl started staring at me, fixing her lipstick, glancing, smiling. As the train stopped and people began leaving, she walked up and held my hand. No, no conversation, just connection, no words, just energy. That's when I knew I have shifted archetype. I am not just a man, I am a masculine force. She can feel. Jung wasn't wrong. Retention brings the unconscious thing to the surface. Part. The final message, the final part. Jung said, the privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. And I will say this to you, you cannot become your true self if you constantly draining your seed. Retention is the door, shadow work is the key, transmutation is the map. Don't let your light force be flushed into void. Use it, build with it, climb with it, because every drop you retain is not just semen. It's the spirit of your future waiting to be born. When you master this, you don't chase your dreams, you attract them with the aura of a man who whole. Semen retention isn't a trend, it's the ancient path of king and mystics, and Carl Jung knew it all along. Now, so do you.